Hi everyone, Gannon here with Automation Intellect. Today's mini demo series will be focusing on the return on investment from implementing the Automation Intellect platform. In the previous conversations, we've touched on a few topics including process standardization, real-time monitoring, continuous improvement, as well as many others. These concepts have provided a glimpse into a few ways the Automation Intellect platform can make your manufacturing operation world-class. Our goal, through our fast implementation, customer success value proposition, and ongoing support, is to help find ways to propel your team past the competition. If your team isn't considering an IIoT journey in the near future, you are jeopardizing visibility, increased production, and more importantly, profit. Let the Automation Intellect team find a way to take you to the next level today. Remaining on the topic of return on investment, I thought touching an actual case study would help bring home the idea of success. One of our lead medical device clients had an initiative to increase their OEE on 2 production lines by 10% in under 6 months. These production lines were single-sourced and very important to their business. We started using the Automation Intellect platform to identify the low-hanging fruits as well as any design changes that may take longer to implement. We identified nearly 75 minutes around scheduled break and lunchtime per shift that the teams were losing in production. In addition, we also identified multiple design changes that helped to aid in fault reduction for the handling area as well as photo scanners. With the help of the Automation Intellect platform, rigorous work on the client side, and trustful guidance from the Automation Intellect team, we were able to increase the OEE on the 2 identified lines in the under 6-month time frame and provide a significant payback to the client. This payback far overseeded the Automation Intellect cost and return on investment. If you'd like to learn how Automation Intellect platform can create a case study for your team, reach out to us through LinkedIn or automationintellect.com. Thank you everyone for watching this mini demo series, and I look forward to talking to you in the near future.